Hey guys, Pete from NutleyKia here, showing you a 2017 Kia Sportage SX all-wheel drive, certified pre-owned. This car is loaded. It's got leather, heated seats, air-conditioned seats, heated steering wheel, built-in navigation, Harman Kardon upgraded sound system, different drive modes. It's got blind spot detection, lane departure warning, forward collision avoidance, which is an autonomous braking system. And again, it's certified pre-owned, so you're going to get the balance of the 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Has a nice electronic liftgate. Also with a smart liftgate, it'll open hands-free for you. Nice 19-inch wheels, very clean car, new tires, new brakes, all for under $25,000. So if this is something you're looking for, that's a fully loaded vehicle with a mid-size to small SUV, come down and see Pete at NutleyKia.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.